A typical customized reporting application would be something like $20,000 plus, and most of the time the end consumers or the MR agencies do not have that budget. So it falls into nice to have category. So they actually resort back to static PowerPoint deck creation and deliveries. So what we did, we've been developing online applications since long. I mean, it's been like more than 10 plus years. And what we figured out was that each time we attempt to develop an online application, interactive reporting application, we do the same thing again. So it was like reinventing the wheel, and the costing structures were in a way that we would charge for that reinvention of the wheel again and again, and the price would never come down. So a typical, like I said, a typical online application would start with $20,000. So we thought that, no, what should we do to bring this online interactive reporting application into must-have category? Everyone needs it. They're not able to buy it because of the cost, because of the timelines. So that's where we came up with this new product, with this new framework, I would say, which is called the Rapid Dashboard Delivery System. So we separated out the features which we've been developing again and again for different clients in different applications. We separated out these common features and made them the part of the framework. And then when we focused purely on the charting, I mean automation of the charts, and bringing them online into a web browser with the filters, different data cuts, that's where we realized that there were two effects. One was the effect on the turnaround time. I mean, earlier, if we used to develop, when we would develop an online application, it would take us, let's say, 2.5 months to 3 months. But now, with pure focus on the reporting part of the whole project, the turnaround time got reduced from 3 months to straight 3 weeks. That was effect one. So that's the effect on the turnaround time. So the second effect that was, since we are focusing purely on the automation of these charts, these tables in the PowerPoint, obviously the efforts were actually, we were not redoing the whole thing, we were not reinventing the general features, so the efforts were lesser. And lesser efforts means lesser price. And the overall effect, I mean, we were able to break down this barrier of the longer turnaround time and the high cost with RDD. So it actually, now we can actually deliver the reports. We can create the interactive online reporting applications with a turnaround time of, let's say, 3 weeks with our rapid dashboard delivery system, and with the costs which are at par with the manual charting system.